If you ever try to take off a nut, or like right here, and you're not able to get this off, I would suggest you use one of these two tools, a sawzall or a angle grinder. That's it. Two tools to get rid of any types of metal, cut through metal, nuts, bolts, you name it. If you ever have to do the exhaust on a car, I suggest you taking these right to the nuts instead of trying to unscrew them. Most of the time you won't be able to save those nuts and bolts, and just buy new nuts and bolts. Takes the bolt off in seconds.